But that's not all in the Quran. We have to look forward now to relentless oppression. An oppressor stamping his bloody feet on the people. An oppressor enslaving mankind, enslaving the people with his bogus monetary system and his bogus banking system, shamelessly. But there's more in the Quran about what's happening to the Zionists. The Quran speaks about a town, Qaryah, and the Lord God destroyed that town, and the Lord God expelled the people of that town, and the Lord God placed a ban on them. They can never return to reclaim that town as their own. Hatta, until a moment arrives in time, in the late afternoon of history, when all of mankind will be in a state of loss. On that moment, the Lord God will release Gog and Magog into the world.